from
Alhamdulillah, khair. Just going to switch on the mic for the students, inshallah.
Bismillah. As I said that day, we'll be expecting a shorter class today due to another engagement. And so let's start, inshallah, immediately. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن اتبع هداه أما بعد. الحمد لله، هذا هو الدرس السادس والعشرون في جزئه الثالث third part. ولقد وصلنا إلى قول المدرس قف يا وليد أين تريد أن تذهب. قف يا وليد أين تريد أن تذهب. So this word wulaid, this is where we stop. The student that the teacher is talking to, his name is Yahya. So why is he calling him wulaid? Now this, I'll give you, let's open a blank white board. And this is called ism. Does anyone know what it's called? This type of street?
اسمه التصغير.
أيوة أحسنت يا إلياس. الحمد لله إلياس is with us. اسم تصغير. اسم تصغير. The pen writes nicer and this on the white screen. When it comes to the book, it doesn't write so easy. So it's nice. اسم تصغير, which basically تصغير. Can you see a word inside this word that you recognize? Inside
صغير.
this. نعم.
صغير.
صغير. نعم أحسنتم. So is there. And تصغير basically means, so صغير, you know, it means small. And تصغير means to consider something small or to make something small. To make something small, you say تصغير. Just like you say when you make something big, the word is big is kabir. Yes? You want to make something big, what do you do? Takbir. You might recognize that word now. Takbir, meaning announcing greatness of something. So enlarging something is called takbir. And making something small is called tasghir in the language. So this word, or this manner of speaking that the teacher said to the boy, Ya wulaid, this is called, it's a mannerism of tasghir. And it's a polite mannerism. And it's used usually for the purpose of endearment, to bring someone close, bring someone near, endearment, okay, like mahabba. So the word, in actual fact, if we were to say a word has 3 letters, and they are the fa and the ain and the lam, okay? So that when it comes to tasghir, the first letter will take a dhamma. And there will be a ya added before the last letter. So it becomes fu'ail. So for example, waladun, waladun. If you want to make it tasghir, the waw will have a dhamma, the lam will stay as it is, There will be a ya added before, in between. There will be a ya added after the lam, and the dal will stay as normal. So it becomes wulaydun. And wulaydun basically means a small boy. And it's a form of endearment. Okay. Now, let's look at a few other words. Umaru. You want to make Umar into a tasghir. So the first letter will take a dhamma. It already has a dhamma, but it takes a dhamma in this case anyway. As tasghir takes the dhamma. And then you got the meme as normal with the fatha on it. You add the ya, as we said, the sukoon, and then the ra comes in. What do you get? Can anyone read it?
Umabra. Umabra.
You try. Anyone else? Umair. Umair.
Umair.
Umair. Let's try one more.
Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, I
Couple
think
more.
it's
Is it Umar a name?
It is. Umar is a name, and Umair is also a name. And incidentally, Sheikh Rabi', Hafidahullah, Sheikh Rabi' bin Hadi al-Madkhali, I think his grandfather, his name is Umair. You see in his name, Rabi' ibn Hadi Umair al-Madkhali. I think Umair is his grandfather's name, but I may be mistaken. Okay, let's look at this word here. Abdun. You want to make it tasghir?
Ubaid.
MashaAllah, you got the pattern. So the first letter takes the dhamma. Then the ba is, we already have the ba, keep it. Add a ya. And we have the dal, keep it. What do you get? Ubaidun. Ubaid. So Ubaid is tasghir from abd. It means a small worshipper. Umair is a small Umar. Wulaid is a small boy. Okay. And تفضل أخي. You were going to say something. No problem. Umar, go ahead, أخي Saqib. Go ahead. Umar ibn al-Khattab, radiallahu anhu, he had a number of sons. From his sons is Abdullah ibn Umar. And Abdullah ibn Umar. I'm getting confused now. In any case, either Abdullah ibn Umar had a brother or he had a son called Ubaidullah ibn from the offspring of Umar ibn Khattab. And then the question Abu Hassan is asking, Bunay, it works exactly the same. So, Ibnun, okay, Ibnun, and this one is because originally this word is Banu. Is there some difference? Mike? It's okay, bro. Sounds like you're cooking fish and chips. I know he's going to like that one because you have to travel in New York to get fish and chips. I know you're laughing, Abu Maimun, we just can't hear you because your mic is on. So the origin of the word Ibn is it's Banu. Okay, Banu. And Banawun. or banayun, even that it could be a ya, the origin of this waw. So when this becomes into a tasghir, as Abu Hassan is asking, it becomes ba, takes the dhamma, the noon is already there, and you've got the shadda on the ya. Bunayun. Bunayun. And in the Quran, Allah Ta'ala says, Ya Bunayya. Ya Bunay. He said that Luqman alayhi salam said. Ya Bunay. If I'm not mistaken. Meaning, oh my son. Tayyib. So this is what we have introduced in the lesson for us. Lesson 26. They introduced Ism Tasghir. The teacher calls the boy. He says, Ya Wulayd. So let's go back to the class, to the book, and the teacher says, so we need a mudarris and we need Yahya. Last time, Zayd was about to read Yahya for us, but I'm not sure if Zayd is here. Can't see him. And Akram hasn't read for a while, and neither has Habib. So we could have Akram reading al-Mudarris and Habib reading Yahya. Is that okay? Go ahead. But the problem is we have two Akrams. Are they both the same people, or does it happen to be two different people with the same name?
Assalamu alaikum. Yes, Ustad.
You are. I recognize you. And how about the other Akram? Is it you, or am I just seeing double?
Same.
Okay, well, you're coming with power, yeah? More than one account.
Yeah.
Okay, Bismillah. You are Al-Mudarris and Habib is Yahya. Reading Yahya. You are reading Al-Mudarris.
المدرس كيف يا وليد ابن أين تريد أن تذهب؟
بارك الله فيك. أين تريد أن تذهب? So here is Walaid, and this is the example of اسم التصغير. And this كيف, as we said last lesson, this is the example of فعل أمر من المثال. الفعل المثال means the first letter is حرف علة.
وقف
وقف يقف كيف. تفضل أخي.
يحيى يا فضيلة الشيخ أرجو أن تسمح بالذهاب يا فضيلة الشيخ.
فضيلة.
يا فضيلة.
Why is there a fatha? Why fatha on this?
يا ومنادى.
Ya munada, but this before he says Ya Walaid has a dhamma.
No, means it's
also
after. Yeah. فضيلة. مضاف. It's مضاف.
أيوة بارك الله فيك. منادى مضاف is منصوب. طيب.
يا فضيلة الشيخ أرجو أن تسمح لي بالذهاب لأن أبي يأتي اليوم إلى المدينة المنورة. إلى المدينة المنورة.
أيوة أحسنت بارك الله فيك. أرجو means I hope, or it's like saying please. And تسمح لي, for you to permit me. We had all these words before. تسمح لي, permit me. بالذهاب, ba is harf al-jar. الذهاب, this is the master from. ذهب يذهب ذهابا. When you mention the master in this pattern, usually you're going to mention it in this mansub form without alif and lam. ذهب يذهب ذهابا. not dhihab. People make a mistake and they put kasra, they say dhihab. No, it's not dhihab. It's dhahab. And dhahab is the name, the noun of this verb. Keep going, Akhi. Tfaddal. Akram.
متى يصل هنا؟
Wasala yasilu. Wasala yasilu. Mata yasilu huna. When does he arrive? Yahya said,
يسيل
tasilu.
تسيل الطائرة
Try to
من
avoid, don't make this long. Say tasilu.
تسيل الطائرة من جدة في الساعة الواحدة
Barakallahu feek. So over here, Al-Mudarris said yasilu. And then Yahya said tasilu. Why?
Because Yasilu refers to the father, but Tasilu is the father.
Is that? Is the what, Ilyas?
Yasilu is
Tasilu
Tasilu is for طائرة.
Ta'ira, ahsan. Tasilu is for a ta'ira. And yasilu is for the ab. Ahsan. Ya bunay. Wa barakallahu feek. طيب. So he said tasilu ta'iratu min juddata, and this is the correct pronunciation of Jeddah with a dhamma on it. Even though they say that you can't say Judda, Jadda, or Jeddah, no problem. لا بأس أخي زيد أهلا ومرحبا. جدة في الساعة الواحدة. المدرس said
yeah. متى وصل أبوك إلى جدة؟
وصل البارحة.
Barakallahu feek. And here's a new word. I think we have this new word, al-bariha, which means yesterday evening, last night. Al-bariha means last night or yesterday evening. Because here he said tasilu at-ta'iratu min Jeddah. Tasilu at-ta'iratu min Jeddata fi sa'at al-wahida. At 1 p.m. the plane is coming from Jeddah. So then the teacher knows that the father is already in Jeddah. So he said, Mata wasala abuka ila Jeddah. When did he reach Jeddah? The boy said, the Wulaid said, wasala al-barihata. And so al-bariha is got a fatha on it because this is the time frame relating to the verb. Maf'ulun fihi. Al-Mudarris said,
اذهب بسرعة بقي بسرعة بقي نصف ساعة أو أقل اسمع أرجو أن تأتي بأبيك إلى بيتي.
MashaAllah, kind teacher. He wants his father to come to his house. And this is what those teachers were actually like in Medina. They were very kind and used to take care of their students and even their families. They would invite them to their houses. اذهب بسرعة. بسرعة means the word sin ra ain comes from sari', which means fast. Sari'un. So بسرعة means go quickly. Baqiya, this verb we had it before. Nisfu sa'atin, that's the fa'il. And he said, oh, aqallu. Madmum also because this is ma'tufun upon nisfu, meaning fa'il. Less than half an hour left. And he said, isma'. Sami'a yasma'u. Sami'a يسمع. He wants to make that into fi'l amr. What will happen?
اسمع.
Take the ya away, and you're left with this sin and sukoon on it. You got this, put the sukoon on the end because it's majzoom. Then you have sin like that, and you're stuck. You can't say anything. So you have to put alif in the beginning to get it moving, and you say isma. Then he said to him, isma means listen. Arju an ta'tiya. That is because of that fatha is because of an and nasiba, and ta'tiya bi harfu jar abika majrurun bil ya bi abika ila bayti. Yahya said,
Inshallah. Inshallahu. Sa'atika.
Sa'atika.
Sa'atika bihi gadan ba'da salatil asri.
Barakallahu feek. And this word sa'atika, let's have a quick look at it. Ata is the fi'l madi. Ya'ti is mudari. You can have also, you can say na'ti, we will come. Or you can say ta'ti, you will come. Or you can say a'ti, I will come. And this one here, a'ti, it's convenient to join these two alifs together and make it one with a mad. So he said, ati, ati, I will come. Then he said, bihi, I will come with him. It means I will, actually means I will bring him. And then the scene over there is for the near future. Sa'ati, seen and sofa. We covered them before. This is for mustaqbal. Seen and sofa is for the mustaqbal. Sa'ati bihi ghadan. Did we cover ghadan before? Means tomorrow. Ba'da salatil asri. And we will stop there, inshallah, in the next class, bi'idhnillah. We will cover some of the exercises, but
أستاذ
نعم أخي تفضل.
عندي سؤال. هذا الفوق طالب يحيى يتكلم أبوه يعني يأتي إلى من يأتي إلى مدينة منورة.
طيب.
ولكن تحت ويقول ويرجع إلى جدة، يعني كيف علاقة هذا يعني؟
طيب الآن هم يحيى والمدرس هما في المدينة.
نعم.
قال يحيى أريد أن أذهب إلى المطار. جيد.
نعم نعم.
لأن أبي يأتي اليوم. So the father is arriving today to Medina. The teacher said, what time is he arriving? Mata yasilu. Yeah. And then Yahya said, the plane arrives from Jeddah. Tasilu min Jeddata. The plane arrives from Jeddah at 1 o'clock. So then the teacher said, when did he arrive in Jeddah? Meaning he's not from Saudi Arabia. He came from another country. So he came into Saudi Arabia. He came to Jeddah. And from Jeddah, he's coming to Medina. So when did he arrive in Jeddah? The boy said, he arrived last night. So last night he arrived in Jeddah. And today he's leaving Jeddah to come to Medina. And I need to go to pick him up.
جزاك الله خيرا أستاذ.
Is that clear?
يا نعم.
تفضل أخي.
I too am confusion here. Tasilu ta'iratu.
Aywa. So at-ta'iratu, this
Ustad,
is the
is it second
fa'il.
person?
This is the fa'il.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you remember, you have second person for mu'annath is the same as first person mudhakkar. So
Okay.
you remember that? You have, I'm trying to open a new page, but it's not giving me any option here. Let's clear this page. You used to be able to open a page. Oh, there's the symbol. Let's keep here. Let's go to the new page. So you have huwa yaf'alu. يفعل أنت تفعل yeah هي تفعل أيضا so هي and أنت are the same هي تفعل وأنت تفعل أنت what is it
تفعلين
تفعلين
علينا.
جيد so he said تصل الطائرة so this is هي تصل الطائرة هي تصل جيد ساكب
Okay, Ustad.
is that clear طيب let's stop there بإذن الله تعالى we'll continue with the exercises inshallah on Monday بإذن يوم الاثنين. But what I would like you all to do is prepare for next lesson by writing all of these exercises out. So when we're coming in the class, we're not thinking off our feet, we're ready. So look at number 1, just reading. Number 2 is actually doing the answers. Number 3, also. فعل أمر. Okay, and then this is just a reading exercise, 11 sentences of reading, and then you come to ism tasghir. This one, reading number 5 and doing number 6. Jayid. We didn't cover this, we should have covered it. And remind me, bi'idhnillah, this is important to cover. And next lesson, inshallah, as we're doing the exercises. And the last thing is, خلاص, we'll see what we can cover after that, bi'idhnillah. والله أعلم وصلى الله وسلم على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاك الله خير.
الله فيك.